Hey everyone, I'm Ria. Quick story, back in 2023, my university library added some proposals. Now, for circle, I'm the one sending them for my company. I was scouring Xiaohongshu for video inspiration. When I saw this trending debate, can sounds from outside actually get into a soundproof board? The comments are so funny and unexpected. I just had to investigate.
Round one. Round two.
Overall, the noise reduction effect is really good. Come and experience it for yourself at our showroom. We'd love to have you. Stay tuned for our latest video. We'll simulate a library environment to test the sound insulation effect.